Hi folks, Christy from Shark Pixel here. I wanted to just take a minute and talk to you really quickly about an amazing, incredible opportunity that we have going on. So, I am part of a large bundle of tools and presets and masterclasses and education from A to Z. It is all called the Creator Foundry. I'm super excited to be a part of it. Some of my content is going to be included in this bundle, but let me tell you what else is included. We are going to have 22 masterclasses to teach you everything that you need to know about photography, lighting, portraits, landscapes, and retouching, and that's my contribution. You also have over 32 bundles of Photoshop tools and presets and a ton of things that make your life easier as a Photoshop artist or as a photographer. And that is over 2,000 tools that you are getting as part of this bundle. Another thing that's going to be included is 75 hours or over 75 hours of training that's going to be included in this bundle. And to top it all off, it's almost free. It's 98% off. So this is a deal that you are only going to get now. It's not going to be continued for very much longer. And we are doing this as a flash deal, flash sale, so that you guys can take advantage of it at such an amazing price. And then it's gone forever. I really want you to take advantage of this amazing opportunity by having this kind of content from incredible instructors like Joel Grimes, Jerry Gihonis, Scott Robert Lim, Kelvin Designs, and a bunch of others. And I want you to take advantage of it now. So please take a look at the link in the description so that you can capitalize on this amazing opportunity. And like always, I'll see you on the next course.